Did you know that nearly 80% of adults report feeling stressed on a daily basis? In today's fast-paced world, finding a moment of peace can feel impossible. But what if I told you that a simple practice could help? Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of mindfulness meditation and exploring its incredible benefits. So what exactly is mindfulness meditation? At its core, mindfulness is about being present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Originating from ancient Buddhist practices, mindfulness has gained popularity in the West as a powerful tool for mental and emotional well-being. Let's talk about the benefits. First up, mental health. Studies show that mindfulness meditation can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Imagine waking up each day feeling lighter and more at ease. Next, let's discuss physical health. Regular practice can lower blood pressure and improve sleep quality. Who wouldn't want a better night's sleep? Mindfulness also enhances emotional well-being. It helps you become more self-aware and better at managing your emotions. Plus, it can boost your productivity by increasing focus and creativity. Now you might be wondering, how do I get started? It's easier than you think. Begin with just 5 minutes a day. Focus on your breath, and when your mind wanders, gently bring it back. There are also fantastic apps like Headspace and Calm that can guide you through the process. Remember, the key is consistency. Try to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine, whether it's during your morning coffee or before bed. To wrap up, mindfulness meditation offers a wealth of benefits for your mental, physical, and emotional health. So why not give it a try? Start small, and you might just find a new sense of peace in your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips and tricks. Until next time, stay mindful.